In today's video, I will walk you through how to make a splash poster design in Canva. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Create a new project so we can begin building the splash poster design from scratch. Once your blank canvas is open, go to the Elements section on the left side and type Paint Splash into the search bar. Then switch to the Graphics tab and choose the same Paint Splash design shown in the tutorial. After adding it to the page, increase the size and place it in the center of the canvas. When the placement looks good, change the color of the splash to black. Next, return to Elements and search for Brush. Choose the brush graphic shown on the screen, then change its color to white. Increase the size of the brush graphic and position it in the middle of the black splash design so it overlaps the center area like this. Now move to the Text section and add your text. Once the text appears on the page, change the font and use the same font shown in the tutorial. After changing the font style, adjust the letter spacing and set it to 6. Then go to Effects and choose the Curve option. Adjust the curve amount slowly until the text follows the same shape shown on the screen. After that, increase the text size and place it over the splash design so the overall composition matches the layout from the tutorial. When everything is positioned correctly, download the page as a PNG file. Wait for the export to finish, and save the image to your device. After downloading the design, select all the elements currently on the canvas and delete them. Then upload the PNG image you created a moment ago back into Canva. Next, upload the image you want to use as the background for the poster. Make sure both images use the same resolution so the final blend looks clean and aligned properly. Now go to the Apps section inside Canva and type Blend Image into the search bar. Open the same app shown in the tutorial. For the first image, select the splash poster design and use it as the top layer. Then select your background image and use it as the bottom layer. After that, open the Blend Mode settings and choose Screen. Once the preview looks correct, click Add to Design. The blended image will now appear on your canvas. Delete the earlier images that are no longer needed, then increase the size of the final blended design until it fills the page properly. And that is the final result for the splash poster design in Canva.